Should I buy or sell Meta? The report for Meta was first published on our website Wednesday, November 23, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 17, 2022, our system ranks Meta as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.791. In this period, the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.44%. This is an average return of 0.29% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meta, our last headline reads, Meta stock upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Meta stock price gained 1.22% on the last trading day, Wednesday, November 23, 2022, rising from $111.05 to $112.41. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.75% from a day low at $110.73 to a day high of $112.67. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares, and in total, 18 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.02 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $352.71, and the lowest price was $88.09. Right now the price is 68.13%, or $240.30, below 52-week high, and 70.75%, or $271.92, below all-time high September 1, 2021, where the price hit $384.33. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $114.89 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -37.50% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -58.95% and -36.12%. The 12-month trend indicates a -59.21% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -72.12% and -45.96%. This equals a price between $31.34 and $60.75 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 26.43%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $115.85. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $112.32. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 230 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $97.94 and $95.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $97.94. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $95.20 and $93.16. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.94 between high and low, or 1.75%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.6%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta currently has a price-earning ratio of 12.15. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta meets first resistance at $113.54. If you do not hold Meta shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta finds first level of support at $97.94, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 16, 2022, Clegg Nicholas made an inside sell of 8,899 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 342 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Taylor Susan J.S. made an inside sell of 1,421 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Bosworth Andrew made an inside sell of 800 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Bosworth Andrew made an inside sell of 6,800 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -32.179. In total, the insiders bought 114,372 and sold 224,673 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Meta stock a buy? Meta holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 25th, we expect Meta to open down $0.473 and start trading at $111.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to